Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question many dental professionals have asked. Can an RVG sensor be repaired? These vital pieces of equipment help capture crystal clear digital images, but what happens when one malfunctions? If you're in the dental field, this is a video you won't want to miss. Good dental X-ray sensor greatly impacts the quality of diagnosis and treatment. Like any other technology, RVG dental X-ray sensors are prone to physical damage, wear and software malfunctioning. If your RVG sensor is not functioning correctly, you may wonder if it can get repaired. The answer is, in most cases it can be repaired most of the time, but that depends on the extent and nature of the damage. RVG sensors are delicate pieces of technology that consist of many small and delicate components. General issues with RVG sensors can range from broken cables, damaged connectors, to sensor casing failure. In general, RVG sensors are designed to be durable and to bear frequent use, but they are not indestructible. They may get damaged from wear and tear, accidental drops or exposure to high temperatures. Improper handling can also damage your sensor. The first step in assessing if your sensor can be repaired is to get it checked by a trained technician. In some cases, with minimal damage or with only software updates, they will be able to fix the issue on-site, while in others, they may need to take it to a specialized repair center with them or need to send it to the manufacturer for more extensive repairs. While deciding whether to repair your sensor or replace it with a new one, there are many factors to put into consideration. The first and foremost is the cost of repair. If the cost of repair is equal to or more than the new one, the smart option would be to replace it with a new one. You should also consider how old your sensor is and how frequently you use it. If the sensor is old and you have a busy practice, it would be advisable to opt for a newer model. If you have decided to get your RVG sensor repaired, it is very important to choose a well-qualified and trained technician. Here at Repair.Dental we have highly trained technicians with years of experience handling these devices. Our tech team will be able to diagnose your sensor problems and will provide you with the cost and time of repair. We will also provide you with tips to protect your repaired RVG sensor from future damage and increase the lifespan of your sensor. For any repair or quick solution, do contact Repair.Dental or contact us at +1 1-855-533-3399. Do like, share and comment down below.